on the highway, check engine light came on. It was misfiring. It was just started shaking. I was going up a hill, losing power. That was flashing. So I'm heading back. Let's dig into that, see what's going on here. First step here, checking the code. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. Here, plug this in. Key on, engine off. Read it. Cylinder 5. Misfire in the 5th cylinder of a vehicle. Yep. Okay, so here's our engine. Pretty hot under here still. Gotta be careful. I just wanted to show you. So on a small block Chevy, old school Gen 1, our cylinders, there's obviously 8 of them. This is a 5.7 350 V8. So you have 4 on this bank, 4 on this bank. And it's different between like Chevy, Ford, how they're numbered. On a Chevy, you can see here, we have all of our evens or odd cylinders on the driver's side, all of the even on the passenger. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 8. And our issue was on number 5. So that is second from the back on the driver's side. When I bought this truck, I've changed to new cap and rotor. I've done the spark plugs. I have not changed the plug wires. So first thing I'm gonna inspect under the hood here is the wire. Make sure it's not burnt on anything, cut, nothing like that. We can pull that off and check our ohms and resistance, but it doesn't seem like it's on anything. I don't see any physical evidence of any issues. Let me know what you guys think it is. I've fixed it, I hope, and how I fixed it is gonna blow your mind. You're not gonna believe it. It's pretty risky.